Next year is the general election, and Jamaica's political parties are pulling out all the stops to create thought-provoking campaign tickets. One such ticket from the JLP is grabbing headlines and laughter. Robert Montague claims he is in talks to secure visa-free access to the United States for law-abiding Jamaicans. Yes, you heard that right. Visa-free access to the U.S. This takes the cake over Andrew Holness's 2016 promise that, if elected, Jamaicans would sleep with their doors open. Spoiler alert, Holness won, but we still lock our doors tighter than ever. Now, Montague claims he's in talks about this visa-free dream. The question is, who exactly is he talking to? The U.S. isn't exactly lining up to offer this privilege, especially with Jamaica ranking high on the list of immigrants who overstay their welcome. Let's not forget, Jamaica doesn't even qualify for the U.S. diversity visa lottery. So how realistic is this promise? Not very. Meanwhile, back in reality, 6 people were gunned down on Waltham Park Road in a suspected gang-related attack Monday night. This senseless violence, happening around 8 p.m., highlights the true issues facing the nation. Issues that need real solutions, not empty election promises. As we approach the next general election, Jamaicans must demand more than grand promises. We deserve leaders who address the violence on our streets with the same urgency as their diplomatic fantasies.